Hi guys, welcome back to Business Map Kitchen. Today we'll be doing rice and peas with some baked chicken, my style. Right, I've already washed, vinegar and lime my chicken, cut and season. I've used some chicken seasoning all purpose, some grounded pimento, onion, garlic, pepper to season my chicken, and I've let it sit and marinate for 15 minutes. Now my style of baked chicken is I like to fry my chicken first before I put it in the oven. So what I'll be doing now, I'm going to get started in frying my chicken before I put it in the oven, or rather brown my chicken a little before I put it in the oven, right? So I'm going to let these brown, and as they brown I turn them. Alright. Over here is my peas. I've already cooked my peas and I've added scallion, a green pepper, thyme and some coconut cream. Normally I'd use coconut milk from the tree, but I didn't have any today, so I used 2 grade coconut cream. So my peas is ready, so I'm leaving it, and then I'll be adding my rice later on. Alright, I'll be adding a little salt to my peas also, and a little browning for color. And I'll let this sit until I am ready to add my rice. Okay guys, so now I'll be doing my rice and peas. I'm using hot boiled rice. So remember, I already told you that my peas is already cooked, so it's boiling now and ready for me to add the rice. I'm going to be washing the rice and then I'm going to add it to the peas. Alright, I'll be adding my rice. To stir to make sure that the rice and the peas is together, to get the peas from the bottom of the rice. And I'm going to leave this on low heat until it is all dried out. Then I'll check on it again. Alright guys, so I'm going to turn my chicken now. So one side is already brown, so I'm going to turn it so the other side can brown. So guys, I've used my canola oil spray for baking, so grease my baking sheet that I'll be putting my chicken in. So after I've used the canola oil spray, I will be adding a piece of foil at the bottom because I don't want my chicken to stick when I put it in there. So that when I'm baking, when I'm finished, I can lift the foil like this and nothing is stick to the foil. So guys, chicken is all ready to be put in the oven now. So what I did was I took the seasoning from out the chicken, that's the onion and the garlic and the pepper, and I've spread it on my chicken that I'm going to be putting in the oven. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be covering it with foil so it can be, I'll be covering it for about half an hour. Then I'll be adding the sauce. So I'm going to put it in the oven now, and then after which half an hour I'll take it out and add some sauce. So guys, I'm gonna be the one who's making my homemade sauce because I don't have any barbecue sauce, so I'm substituting right now. So I'm using some ketchup, some fish and meat sauce, some extra virgin olive oil, to browning, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. Just a bit. Right? I don't have any honey. Usually I use honey, but for now I don't have any honey, so I'm going to add brown sugar. I'll be adding a little water to this. And then this is my barbecue sauce. So I'll be adding this to my chicken. And I'll also use this for gravy. So guys, now I'm gonna be adding my sauce to my chicken. So okay, add some sauce to the chicken. I'm going to cover this again and add it back to the oven for another 15 minutes so that the sauce can marinate chicken. Okay guys, so this is my veg for my dish. So what I'm using is some cabbage, some lettuce, tomato, and carrot. I've already washed my vegetables with salt, some salt water, and now I'm cutting them. So I like to cut all my vegetables fine, and then I just add everything. Guys, so now my rice is all finished and is ready. So here's the finished product of the rice and peas. So now I'm shredding my carrots. salted carrot to my vegetable. So I'm going to be mixing everything together. So in this I have cucumber, tomato, cabbage, and lettuce. So guys, this is my finished baked chicken. So as you can see, it's all brown and ready. So I'm going to enjoy. Hope you like this video. Okay guys, this is the finished product of my rice and peas and baked chicken along with some veg. Hope you enjoy this video.